Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Nurul Imanasa bin Zakaria from AS120-VIDEO. Without waste our time, let me introduce my team member. So, it's me, Nurul Imanasa, my friend, Engku Nudini Kristina, Wan Muhammad Adam Daniel, and the last one, Nur Saidatul Ajra Izan. So, in this video, we're gonna talk about a Felis Silvestris, or we known as Wildcat. So, in this video, we're gonna discuss about taxonomy, habitat, characteristic, life cycle, reproduction, important to ecosystem, interesting information, and the last one is conclusion.
As for now, I am going to talk about the taxonomy of the Wildcat of Felis Silvestris. As for the kingdom, it is from the Animalia. For the phylum, it is Chordata. The class is a mammal or Mammalia. The order is Carnivora. For the family is Felidae, and for the genus, it is a Felis.
So hi everyone, I'm Izan. I will continue the presentation about wildcat habitat. So, where did wildcat live? Wildcat live throughout southwestern Asia, continental Europe, and in Africa in the savanna regions. They inhabit desert regions and are retreated to waterways and mountainous area. European wildcat live primarily in broadleaf and mixed forests. They also avoid intensively cultivated areas and settlements. And wildcat are also found in Mediterranean scrubland, riparian forests, and along sea coasts. So hi everyone, I'm Izan. So next, I will continue the presentation about characteristics of wildcat. Both wildcat species are larger than the domestic cat. The European wildcat has relatively longer leg and a more robust build compared to the domestic cat. The tail is long and usually slightly exceed one half of the animal body length. So for wildcat range in weight for an average of 5 to 8 kg in male, and for the female cat, its weight from an average 3 to 5 kg. Although the weight of individual cats varies substantially throughout the year, domestic cats are similar in size but can become much heavier as a result of overfeeding. So next, for the size, basically for the male cat is 43 until 91 cm in head to body length and 23 until 40 cm in tail length. For female cat, their size is slightly smaller. Its body length is 40 until 77 cm and its tail length from 80 until 35 cm. So, for their color, the European wildcat is typically a grey-brown cat with a wide variety in ground color. The coat is usually boldly marked with strips that run along the neck and down the flanks, just like a domestic striped tabby, but with fewer more widely spaced strips. So move to the next part for their appearance. So for their fur and coloration, their fur pattern can include spot, strip or solid color, providing camouflage in their natural habitats. Common color include tan, brown, grey and also black. And they also have a sharp claw and teeth for climbing, hunting and self-defense, as well as sharp teeth for killing and consuming prey. Wildcats have enhanced senses. They possess excellent night vision, acute hearing, and a highly developed sense of smell to locate and stop prey. Their ears are moderately large with a broad base and pointed tip. And they also have larger eyes along with yellowish green iris and vertical pupils. They also possess 6 until 8 eyelashes on each eye, measuring anywhere between 2.0 and 2.4 in. Wildcats are characterized by a larger brain and greater skull volume than domestic cats. Their skull is more spherical as compared to that leopard cats and jungle cats. Most wildcats are solitary, preferring to hunt and live alone except during mating season or when raising young. They hunt mainly at dawn and dusk. It either lies in ambush to punch on its prey or stalk it until fairly close and then rushes in to attack. So, lion are a notable exception. It's living in social group called prides. Wildcat are also territorial animal, marking their range with scent marking, scratch, and vocalization to ward off intruders, such as if there is plenty of food, wildcats sometimes form groups to hunt their prey and to defend a territory from others. And on a sunny day, a wildcat will buzz on a tree branch or rocky outcrop where it can keep an eye on its surroundings.
Hi, I'm Iman. So, in this slide, I will explain about life cycle of a wildcat. First, kitten in age 0 until 6 months, and the kitten become the teenage in 7 until 2 years. Then it's become an adult in 3 until 6 years. After that, in a maturity phase in 7 until 10 years. Last but not least, it's become a geriatric in between 11 years. Here, I will explain more detail about life cycle. First, kitten. The first stage is the kitten phase, which lasts from the birth to around a month of age. During this time, kittens are completely dependent on their mother for food and care. Then, teenage stage. Cats are still growing and developing, but they are becoming more independent and start to show their unique personality. Next, adult. Felis at this phase has finally entered into the full adulthood. In this stage, where she is the more vigorous and radiant. We move to a maturity. Kitty at this stage in life is slowly getting old. In this stage in life where cats tend to gain extra weight and start to lose the brilliance of their coats. And the last one on a geriatric. The geriatric phase is the most advanced stage Felis can ever attain during its lifetime. Senior and geriatric cats are more prone to show signs of old age. One can easily notice the hair on their fur going to be white.
As for the reproduction, wildcats typically have specific breeding seasons. As for example, the European wildcats or the Felis silvestris mate from January to March. For their courtship is from their behavior, usually from which involves vocalization, scent making, and also physical displays. For the gestation and birth, for the period of gestation is approximately from 63 to 68 days. And the litter size is typically between 1 to 6 kittens, with 2 to 4 kittens being the most common between them. And the birth location, usually females give birth in a secluded den such as hollow trees, burrows, and also dense vegetations.
These wildcats play a vital role in maintaining the balance of their ecosystem. They help control the population, which in turn helps preserve vegetation and prevent the spread of disease carried by rodents. Additionally, wildcats are part of the food chain, serving as both predators and prey, which contribute to the overall health and biodiversity of their habitats. Protecting the ecosystem is essential for ensuring the survival of Felis silvestris and other species that depend on it. Felis silvestris, also known as the European wildcat, is a small wildcat species native to Europe, Western Asia, and Northern Africa. It is the ancestor of the domestic cat. These wildcats have a similar appearance to domestic cat, but are usually larger and more robust. They also have solitary nature and are skilled hunters. They also prefer forest area with dense vegetation where they can stalk their prey effectively. These wildcats play a crucial role in maintaining the balance of their ecosystem by controlling the small mammal population. Their survival is essential for the overall health of the environment they inhabit.